Hey Herbie, how you doing? Leo here from Morona Marketing. I actually spoke with Cherish today about getting this video sent over to you. It's got some tips and tricks you can actually do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful. Now, as you see, I've got your website pulled up here. Great logo. I like that logo, Hydes Roofing. And I like how you got your form submit up here at the top along with your click to call button. 58% of people are searching on their cell phone, so having that click to call up here makes it easier for them to get in here and access your office. And for the people that's a little shy or timid or don't want to talk on the phone, they got a form submit right there. So that's a great way to communicate with the customers. Um, a little different down here on this. Usually you want your drop down tabs to identify your pages, but that's okay. Now, what I would suggest is content. One of my biggest suggestions is content. Google loves content. They want to see a minimal of 1,500 words on this homepage, and that's your opportunity to tell your people searching what you do, what services you provide, and where you provide those services. Now, the reason for the content is Google bots crawl these sites 24/7, identifying what you do and where you do it at. So, roofing contractor, Mobile, new roof, Hammond, roof replacement, Gonzalez. So, the service that you provide and the city that you provide that service is known as a keyword. So you want to make sure throughout your content that you have keywords that you want to be found for. Another good thing to do is make sure you're saving your photos and your videos as keywords too, because those count as content. The bots unfortunately don't come in and see these great videos and pictures. They see what's behind them. So always make sure that you're saving your photos and videos as keywords. Again, they are content as well. Now, what I've done is I'll put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So you've got your UR and your DR. This is the strength that your website has, and this is the trust that your website has with Google. This is out of 100. So you want to make sure that you keep these balanced and continuously moving up. Now, right now you have 79 backlinks and 43 referring domains. Your backlinks power your website. They power your keywords. They help get your content out there. They help get you seen. They are the cream of the crop. But you've got to be careful with backlinks because sometimes they're easy to get and they're spammy, and sometimes they're a little harder to get, but they're more authoritative. So you really want to attack those backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, a backlink is simply one website linking to another website. It's sharing power from one website to another, and they usually link via clickable button or text like click here or hydesroofing.com. They can click on that and it brings them straight to your website. That is a backlink. You don't want to go to Pizza Hut and say, the pizza was great, hydesroofing.com. Although that will be a backlink, but it's not relevant to you. It's not anything about roofing. It's about pizza. So that will give you a backlink, but it has no power to it. You've got 49 organic keywords that you're being indexed for, and you've got some pretty good keywords in here, but you are not really driving traffic from them because there's not enough content. So roofers, Mobile, Alabama, there's 350 people searching that each month. This keyword difficulty is out of 100. So the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank. Which you are moving up ranks, but you're not driving any traffic from it. And if you add more content in there and then sprinkle these keywords in there with it, you will start grabbing the lion's share of those searches. Now, Herbie, the way I found you was through your Google Guarantee ads that you're paying for. And that's what you usually see up here at the top. That's a great way to get business quickly. But once you stop paying for it, you're gone. And you're not even showing in the top 3 right now in the mobile search. So, why not rank organically where you're here all the time? The map pack right here is next, and that always shows the top 3. It used to be more, it used to be 7, but they broke it down into 3 now. So it's It's a really big fight to be able to get here in these top three, because these three guys are taking all the searches basically. Now, you're not in this top three, and that's okay, because there are several ways to get here. You can make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You want to make sure you get that filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Make sure that weekly you're posting on your Google business, and weekly that you're adding geotagged and geolocated photos, because that's really going to help you rank organically. Now, citations is simply your business name, address, and phone number. You want to make sure that that is consistent across Google, because you do not want to mislead Google at all. Make sure that you're getting these citations. Get them in like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yelp. So if you go to Yellow Pages and put in, Hydes Roofing, and put your address in and your phone number, boom, there's your one citation. Work on those as much as you can, because at the end of the day, they're really going to help you start to rank. Google's just a big popularity contest, so the more information you share with as many directories as possible, it's going to start making Google trust you more, and then it helps boost your business not only in your area but the surrounding areas as well. Being in this Google Map Pack is going to help you with about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and it's going to give you a call from there. Now down here is your organics. This is where 60 to 70% of your business will come from. This is your number one competitor in the Mobile area. And as you see, they don't have a lot of content. So implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding backlinks, more content, citations, things like that, keywords. You can overtake these guys and take that first spot on that organic. Now, I wanted to show you this right here. It's the whole reason I even call it, is because of the massive volume in the Mobile area. And you've got a lot of these, but they just don't have enough power going to them that's powering these, that's pushing the right sets of eyes to your website. 500, 350, 300, 200, 150, 150. But the main factor here is the KD is very low on all these. It won't take a lot to be able to start ranking these. You just need to get that content in there. Herbie, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. So once you start ranking, a percentage of that's going to come to your website. And then a certain number of those are going to start giving you a call. And then depending on you guys' close rate, turn them into customers. So I hope you enjoyed the video that I sent to you. Hope you have a great day. Cherish was awesome on the phones. Again, my name's Leo Rona. If you need anything, respond back. You can give me a call. Even if you just got questions, I could be that resource for you. Have a great day.